I looked into TellyStick, and honestly, it raises almost every red flag you typically see with questionable streaming devices. The company claims that this small stick can give you unlimited movies, sports, live TV, and premium channels for a one-time fee. But they never explain how the content is licensed or how they're able to legally offer these services without ongoing subscriptions. That alone is a major warning sign. The website looks generic, the product photos seem like stock images, and the marketing language feels exaggerated. When I searched for real customer reviews, there were barely any credible ones. No strong Trustpilot presence, no verified user videos, and lots of complaints about slow shipping or devices not working as advertised. Many users online mention that devices like this often rely on piracy-based apps or unstable third-party servers. When those servers go down, the device becomes useless. The vague return policy and lack of real customer support make the risk even higher. TellyStick doesn't provide clear technical specs or software details, which makes it hard to trust. And with this type of device, legality and reliability are big concerns. Overall, TellyStick feels far more risky than legitimate. If you want streaming without subscriptions, there are safer and legal alternatives. This one is best avoided.